Okay guys, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the Olight right here. I'm working on things here in the kitchen. I have the corn. It's almost ready to come out of this pot. I pre-boil my corn for about 6 to 7 minutes, and it likes just a minute or two. And I thought I would just work while I'm talking. Olight was gracious enough to give us the Ark Pro flashlight. This is their 250th American celebration flashlight. It has some amazing features. You can go back and watch the video that we did. We're going to announce the winner in just a minute. I'm sitting here shelling peas. I'm putting them in this. I'm going to rinse them in a few minutes. Put a little bit of water and seasoning. I use my handy dandy bacon grease over here. Y'all, this thing's amazing. It drains it. Catches my pretty grease down in the bottom. And it's all stainless steel. You can heat it. You can cook in it. People do fry in it. I bought it to fry in, and then I decided I don't want to fry in it. I'm going to use it for my bacon grease because I didn't want to put anything else over there. I wanted something stainless. Last few days, I've been taking some of this corn and other veggies that is in the freezer, and some fresh. I've had a combination, and some of the meat out of the freezer. I've made 2 giant pots of soup. I'm talking this pot right here full of soup twice in the last 4 days. And I am canning it. You have to can this at 90 minutes here, 75 here, because it has corn and meat in it. Corn and meat go to the extremes. But Danny and I ate some for supper. It was absolutely amazing. Amazing. He wanted some on the shelf because he said his mom used to do this with when you would have just a little bit of something, she would add in a bunch of veggies. And people have asked about what's in it. It's got meat, any meat you want. It doesn't matter what you got, any meat. It's got a few tomatoes, probably about a half a gallon of tomatoes in each pot, which is not a lot of tomatoes. But I didn't want it overly tomatoey tasting, but I wanted some. Then it's got the corn. It's got some of our butter beans, a few of these peas one day thrown in, okra, our yellow wax beans, peppers, onions. That's what's in here. A pound of cornbread and you're ready to eat. If you had to, you could just eat this and you don't have to have anything else. You can eat it out of the jar. It's ready to eat. That's what I call MREs, meals ready to eat, right here. That's it. I'm watching my pot here while I'm talking. A lot of you are looking forward to the July 4th celebration, and I am too. With the Olight Ark Pro, I want to announce the winner is Mr. Ronnie Bird 2587. Mr. Ronnie Bird, I want to thank you for your service. He's a retired Air Force. He's been overseas on many 4th of Julys, but being able to watch Old Glory wave while celebrating our 4th of July is simply amazing to him. He said he was proud to be an American. I love that. Danny loved that. We like Mr. Ronnie. We hope that you enjoy the Ark Pro. If you will send us an email at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com, I will get the Ark Pro to you as soon as I can. Probably this week if I have the address. Just deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. Mr. Ronnie Bird, thank you for your service. And all of you, remember on 4th of July, it's not all about picnics and barbecues and going to the lake and stuff. It's about celebrating. Almost everybody there, family. Almost all of our comments were to deal with family. I believe that in that. And going to the lake and going fishing and swimming and having a barbecue, that's all part of the celebration with family. So enjoy whichever way you enjoy. And Mr. Ronnie, thank you. I'm going to get busy. This is coming out. My time's up. Fixing to put this corn in some ice water. And I'm going to finish shelling my peas. And we're fixing to get busy because I'm going to make some fried corn. And y'all going to get to see my fried corn and what Danny thinks of it in the corn video. The saga continues with the corn, guys. Keep up with us. Thank you from Pecan Grove.